If your garage door opener remote buttons are stuck or just not responding, it can seriously mess up your day. So, here's the deal. First, grab a soft cloth and clean around the buttons because dirt and grime love to gunk up those tiny spaces. Next, check the battery because a weak battery is like a lazy signal. It won't get through. If cleaning and battery change don't work, try pressing each button a bunch of times to loosen any stuck bits. Sometimes, the rubber under the buttons wears out, so if you're comfy with it, pop open the remote and see if there's any obvious damage. Another tip is to reset your remote by unplugging your garage door opener for a minute, then plugging it back in. This can sometimes fix communication glitches. Keep your remote away from heavy stuff in your pocket or bag that might press buttons accidentally and cause wear. Also, avoid leaving your remote in extreme heat or cold, as weather can make buttons stick or stop working. Lastly, if it's old and worn down beyond repair, it might be time to just replace it instead of fighting with it. One of the biggest headaches with garage door opener remotes is that people forget to clean them regularly, so dirt builds up making buttons unresponsive. Solution: clean it gently but thoroughly. Another common issue is dead or weak batteries causing the remote to barely work or not at all. Fix this by swapping out the batteries with fresh ones. And lastly, a lot of folks don't realize that physical damage inside the remote, like worn-out rubber pads or broken contacts, can kill its function. Opening it up carefully and checking for damage, or just replacing it, can save you time and stress. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you want to find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff for fixing or replacing your garage door opener remote. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get connected with homeowners needing your skills without all the hassle of hunting for clients.